Hey, welcome to another lesson from TightLine fly fishing. In this lesson, we're going to talk about this whip finisher for fly tying. A lot of people have difficult time with this tool because when they're trying to get a hold of the thread, they're holding this sleeve, and when they hold this sleeve, it allows the head to spin. The head's supposed to spin anyway, but not when you're catching the thread. When you're catching the thread, you want to hold this bottom bar with your fingertips, and that keeps that head from spinning back and forth, allows you to catch the thread. The other thing that I think will really help you as you learn how to do this is instead of the bobbin hanging down below the hook and trying to catch it from the bottom and rotating around, it's much easier if you pull the bottom up and pull it towards you so that the thread is parallel with the tabletop. That allows you to catch the thread from the bottom. So you catch the thread from the bottom and come down and hook it, and we'll spin it. We're going to go in the other room to do the demonstration, film the demonstration, because the lighting's better in there and they have a lot more room. So give me a minute, we'll switch over and go to the front room and we'll do the demonstration for you. Okay? Okay, we've moved into the front room. The lighting's a lot better here. I have a little bit more space, and it's easier to film it over my shoulder than it is back at my fly tying table. So, main thing is put a base layer of thread down on a blank hook. Don't start with a fly, and practice whip finishing on a fly that you've tied. Just practice on a blank hook. So we're going to take the bobbin and pull it up. I don't want the thread below me. I want the bobbin up here so that the thread is parallel with the tabletop. And the key here is to keep this thing from spinning, because it will spin around on you if you're not careful. And to keep it from spinning, take your fingers and pinch this bottom bar right where it comes into the shaft where the sleeve is on there. Pinch it right there. That keeps this keeps his head from spinning on you. It's easier to grab the thread. All right, so the thread is parallel. I'm going to catch with the top. Now this bar at the top's at an angle, so you really don't have to take the hook and catch it. All you have to do is slide it up until that bar hits the thread, and because of the angle, it'll slide right into the hook for you. Now once I catch it on the top, I'm going to drop the bobbin with my left hand, drop the bobbin and catch this bottom hook. Catch the bottom hook and move it to the left. Catch, catch, to the left. Now, all I have to do now, once I catch it on the bottom, is take my elbows and rotate them out. We'll move the whip finisher towards the hook and it'll spin. Now you notice it's not catching any thread until it comes all the way around. Then it'll catch that thread. And now you're going to let go of that bar and it's going to start, and you can spin it. Now we're going to rotate the elbow down, pull that bottom hook out, slide back again. We're going to hold it here so it doesn't spin. Catch, catch, catch. Elbows out. Now I can let go so I can spin it. Slide it out, pull it back. Catch, catch, elbows out, spin, elbow down, let it slide out. Pull back with the left. Catch, catch, elbows out, spin, slide out, pull back. Hold it here to start with. Catch, catch. Elbows out, spin, right elbow down, slide it out. Main thing is to make sure you keep tension. That's the main thing. Keep tension with this left hand. Catch, catch, elbows out, spin, slide it out, pull it back. I hope that helps you with your whip finisher.